Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you for joining me today. Today for you, I have some design team projects for DIYArtbin Store on AliExpress. They sent me some really cute dies this time. Well, they're always cute, but these I think are especially cute, mostly Christmas. And I made some really cute projects I cannot wait to share with you. So let's get started. I will leave the links down below to the individual products on their site on Ali in case you're interested. They're all really reasonably priced, $4 or under. So, and they're well made, I think, and give you a lot of design options. So the first one, well, first of all, DIYArtbin Store always sends these pretty little like organza or tool bags. So I just wanted to show you one that they included this time. So pretty, good for die storage or to, send a gift to somebody. So this is the first die set that I got, and this is called Little Bows. I love how small they are. They're so great to add to your embellishments just to, jazz them up a little bit. They all have a little bit of embossing on them. So if you use plain paper or like shimmer or foil, it really shows up nicely. So I cut them out of the Sizzix. It's that new like mystical paper. And so it's kind of got a little bit of holographicness to it. And yeah, it's just gorgeous, I think. So you can really see the embossed details. And I did add one to one of the projects I'm going to show you. So, but you can see there's a lot of variety for the different kind of bows, and they're nice and flat, so they won't add any bulk to your projects. So that was the first one. I absolutely love it. Okay, the next set I got is this cute, it's called Christmas balls set, I think. Christmas ornament balls. And it comes with a bunch of different bases and like there's reindeer antlers, there's polar bear ears, there's a Santa hat and scarves, and just really cute. The examples on the website are really adorable. They're more like illustrations, not really examples yet. So let me show you the ones that I put together, and I just think they're so cute. Aren't they adorable? They're little, so I could see like making a Christmas tree card and just hanging a few on these, or gluing a few on these. I think that would be so cute. Or even just one to a project is adorable. So this is where I added the bow from the previous die set. It comes with the bow that you can add there, which is, where is it? Oh, right there on the top left. But since I had these cut out, I figured I'd add that. And for the ornaments, I colored them in with that gold leaf marker that I got from Walmart that I showed you guys yesterday. So yeah, isn't that so sweet? And of course you can use any color combinations that you like. It does take some time to do the piecing, but I don't mind that. I like doing it, and it's not too complicated. For the eyes, I cut them out of glossy paper from Tonic Studio, and then I just added a dot of a Jelly Roll pen for the, for the highlight, and I think those look really cute. So yeah, aren't they sweet? I love them. I made them and I just couldn't stop looking at them. I thought they were so adorable. So yeah, that's that set. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is a stocking set, which I picked out because I really like the stocking itself. It has like embossed squares on it. Now on the illustration on the website, it's red and white. I really don't know how you could achieve that unless you cut out the individual squares. So, I'm not about to do that. It also comes with a little gingerbread. It comes with a layering piece for the stocking. It comes with a present and let's see, a candy and some, like doodads for the present and trims and stuff like that. And I think it does come with another piece for the candy, but I can't find it right now. But yeah, let me just move that to the side and I'll show you the one that I made. So I used some gold, like brushed gold paper for this stocking so you could see the embossing clearly. And I just think that's so pretty. I used some gold or white glitter paper for the trim on the stocking and also for the other white parts on this. I added I have this tiny pink rickrack, so I just put that on the edge just to add a little bit of a different texture. I added some stickles on the end of these leaves that I cut out of mint paper. Oh yes, it also comes with the little candy stripe pieces. So you could use these. I used them. It wasn't that big of a deal because the candy cane's embossed. It tells you exactly where to, you know, glue those in. Or you could just use like a pen or paint pen and just mark them in yourself. But I just figured I'd use the paper piecing part. I used some Nuvo drops to highlight the little dots on the present. And for the candy, I just used some polka dot paper I thought was really cute. And then that's a Nuvo drop too for the little button on the gingerbread. So I did a little bit of shading on the gingerbread guy just to, you know, make it look more like a cookie. So I just think that is so cute. And I love the size of it. You know, this would make a good card, just that on a card front or a tag, something like that. So yeah, that's the project number 3. And let's move on to number 4. Okay, number 4 is a primitive snowman, and I was so excited to see this because I love primitive decor, and I love primitive quilts and crafting. So this is all that it comes with. It comes with the snowman body, all his accessories. It comes with a primitive heart to put on him, and then it comes with a couple of hands. So not that many pieces, which is great. So, you know, it doesn't take too long to put them together. But as you can see, it's a nice big size. Let's take a look at the one I made. Of course, I primed him up. So this is the one that I did. And I used some like light peach paper, but then I distressed the edges with tea-dye Distress Oxide from Tim Holtz. For the heart, I cut out of some gingham paper, and I did, you know, ink that too, but I also added some marker to make it look like it's been embroidered a little bit. So, and then I used a country quilt pattern or paper for the hat and the scarf. And it comes with this button dies, and then you just draw in like the threads. You could even use real thread, which would be so sweet. And yeah, so this is so cute and prim, right? If you like that kind of thing, which I do. I guess you can make it not prim, but since it's a prim shape, I just had to go with it. And I added some real blush for the cheeks. So yeah, isn't that adorable? Yeah. All right, the next one is, oh, it's a cute Santa Claus. And this one I left all intact on the die. So these are all the pieces it comes with. You can see it embosses the cute face for you. So all you have to do is, you know, add some coloring. It comes with the pieces for the eyebrows and the beard, all the different pieces, some holly decorations as well. See the embossing on the beard? Beautiful. And there's even embossing on the fur trim too. So the example on the website, it's a drawing, but it's so cute. It looks really, really vintage. So let me show you the one that I made that is paper piece, not drawn. So there he is. I put him in pink glitter paper, and I used some mint solid paper for the holly and for the gloves. I used that brushed gold paper for boots and the belt, and yeah, white glitter paper for all the fur trims as well. For the eyes, yeah, I cut out, I think that there was, yeah, there's little like whites of the eyes on the die. So I did that, and then, yeah, and there's pupils too. So I cut those out of the black glossy paper from Tonic and just added the white dots again to add a highlight. And I added a highlight to the nose too, which I cut out of pink paper. The mouth even cuts out, and I used peach paper for Santa's face. So adorable, right? I love the embossing on it. It's just such a cute Santa. And that's the back. Not as pretty. So yeah, there's no backing piece, so you kind of have to like piece them together, but it does give you enough room to overlap them, so it's not really that big of a deal. So that's my Santa. All right, and the last official one I have is called the Snowman Lover die. And this is what it looks like. It comes with 2 snowmen with really cute faces, scarves, hats, gloves, arms, everything you could want to dress them up with. So let me show you the one that I made. I made it into a tag just so I could have them like a little scene. So this is the one I put together. And again, I think it came out adorable. I used some of that Sizzix opulent paper or the mystical opulent paper for the tag base. And just some, you know, aquas and pinks that I had in my stash. This is also Sizzix. I paper pieced the hat border and the scarf. You don't have to if you don't want to. It comes with this bow die. I added a little piece of heart bling that I had. Everything else, this was a sticker I had in my stash. But yeah, the rest is part of the die set. I put it up on foam. I cut out the snowman bodies out of 2mm foam and stuck that to the back of them just to pop them up a little bit. You could just use foam tape if you wanted to, but I like the finished look of a piece of foam, a solid piece of foam. So, especially on a tag when you'll be like seeing it in different angles. So, and then I added this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I thought it went really well with it. So it's a nice pastel Christmas winter kind of scene, I think. It looks like they're about to kiss and she's ready and he's like a little nervous. So yeah, that was the last one. And then DIYArtbin sent me a bonus die, which was really nice of them. So I wasn't sure which one it was. So I went to look on their website, and when I saw the picture of the gingerbread, it's a gingerbread with a mug, which is cute. The face of the gingerbread man scared me. So I will show it to you here, and I'll insert a picture as well. So see the face there? It's a little, I don't know, it's not my style. It kind of creeped me out. So yeah, I did not want to use that face because I thought it might give me nightmares. So what I did was I took the face off a different DIYArtbin gingerbread, which was from my last design team project, which was super cute. So I just cut this out, cut off the head, and stuck it onto my project. So let me show you the one I made. So I made it into a tag, and I think her face is really, really cute. This swirl came with this new die set, and everything else came with the new die set, except the bow. The bow came with the bow die set, and the tag was in my stash. But the die cut pieces are from this one. It even comes with the Christmas tree to decorate the cup. It comes with like the steam swirls. It comes with the icing trim on the gingerbread, the little marshmallow. And I just think she looks so cute hugging the marshmallow, and she's about to have a cup of hot chocolate. And this sticker I just got too in a recent haul. So I think that looks so cute, so much better than that face. Man, that was scary. So anyway, it's a Franken gingerbread. But so don't be afraid to mix and match your dies if you're not happy with, one particular aspect of a die set. You could always, change it to a different one. The sky's the limit. You're the artist and you can create whatever you want. So I'll leave the link to all of these down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you to DIYArtbin Store for sending me these awesome dies and for letting me share them with everybody. I think they came out super cute. I love their dies. They have the cutest paper pieced Christmas and Halloween dies around, I think. So, all right, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be back soon with another crafty video. Thanks, guys. Bye.